Tinanong mo ko ngayon, hindi ikaw si Mayor Alice Guo. Para sa akin, ikaw ngayon si Guo Huaping 100% trade.
Oh. Di ba? Simpleng-simple. Aka Alice Guo, billions. Tapos hindi makapag-bail ng 180,000. You're fooling this country. You're fooling the Filipino people. And with the Chairman, with the indulgence of Kong Doming, I move to cite Alice Guo in contempt.
Ito ang Istorya Pinas. Ginisa ng maigi sa House of Representatives ng Quad Committee hearing ng ilegal na pugo, Mayor Alice Guo. Sama nito ang paggisa sa diumano buhos ng ilegal na pugo sa Porac, Pampanga, si Cassandra Leong. Sa patuloy na investigasyon, hindi nakalusot si Alice Guo sa mga mambabatas na dumalo sa Quad Committee hearing para ma-cross-examine in the first time sa Kongreso si Alice Guo. At patuloy pa rin ang pagsagot nito na I invoke my right against self-incrimination, Your Honor. Oh my God, grabe to. Dapat ba talaga kay istorya na ipakulong na kaagad ang mga ganitong personalidad na hindi naman nagsasabi ng totoo, na pati ang mga mambabatas ay walang nahuthot kay Alice Guo? Ayon pa ni Congressman Paduano na dapat makontempt si Alice Guo at dagdag ni Congressman Ako na sa Women Correctional Center sa loob ng 30 days. Oh my God, grabe to. Tama lang ba na itago sa publiko ang diumano tunay na nasa likod ng ilegal na pugo? Bakit hanggang ngayon mas pinili ni Alice Guo na hindi mag-bail sa kaso na sinampa sa kanya na bailable ito ng 180,000 pesos? Kaya sabi pa ng mga dismayadong madlang netizen, walang mangyayari dyan. Sa akin dyan, ikulong na lang yan ng habang buhay. Pinagluloko lang tayo. Kainam talaga ang may pera. Pag may kaso, may due process. Pag simple o ordinaryong mamayan, yung araw na yon, pasok na sa kulungan. Pag natawaging mayor yan, sobra ng insulto ginagawa niya sa bayan natin at sa mga Pilipino. Habang may attorney, politisyan na nababayaran, walang makukulong na mga criminal, only in the Philippines.
Your Honor, if ever po mapagbigyan po ako ng Mr. Chairman po para sa executive session, sasabihin ko po lahat ng totoo at walang kulang, walang dagdag po. Yung mga akusasyon po na sinasabi po nila na marami po ako alam sa ganito, yung mga hindi po totoo, wala rin po ako talaga masasabi. Ang masasabi ko lang po kung ano lang po yung alam ko po.
Without naming names, Alice, ano yung sasabihin mo sa amin? Paki-enumerate mo lang kung ano yung sasabihin mo para mapag-isipan namin kung ikaw ay karapat-dapat mabigyan ng executive session. Ano yung sasabihin mo sa amin? Anong mga ibubunyag mo sa executive session?
Mr. Chair, ano po yung question po na alam ko pong sasagutin ko po lahat.
Halimbawa, tanungin ka ngayon ni Congressman Pascual, sinong opisyal ng PNP o ng local government ang tumulong magpataka sa iyo?
Your Honor, wala pong local government, wala rin pong PNP.
Okay, please proceed, Congressman Pascual.
Alam mo, Mayor Alice, ano ang karapatan ng mga foreigner na patakasin ka dito? Ano kapangyarihan nila dito para itakas ka? Napaka-imposible naman yan na walang local official na kasabwat ng pagtakas mo.
Your Honor, dahil wala naman po talagang ako nakausap para sa pag-alis po namin, kaya hindi rin po ako pwede mag-fabricate din po.
Wala kang nakausap? Sino ang kumausap sa mga local official dito?
Your Honor, isang tao lang po kausap ko po, pero wala po akong kausap na any local po.
Sino yung isang tao na yung nakausap mo, Mayor Alice?
Your Honor, yan po yung sinasabi ko po na ayaw ko pong sabihin po sa public.
Foreigner ba yan o Pilipino?
Yung kausap ko po, foreigner po.
Wala nga mangyayari pagkakaganyan.
Okay, so we all agree that we will not grant her an executive session. So unless there are other questions related to Pogo, you may continue, Congressman Pascual.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mayor Alice, nung ikaw ay nasa Indonesia na, ano ang plano mo? Tuloy-tuloy ka na ba na magtatago habang buhay kung hindi ka nahuli sa Indonesia?
Your Honor, babalik po.
Babalik ka. Uulitin ko yung tanong ko sa iyo kanina. Kung hindi mo sinagot yung tanong ko kanina kung sino ang nag-convince sa'yo para umalis, tatanong ko naman sa'yo, sino ang nag-encourage sa'yo para bumalik ng Pilipinas?
Your Honor, sarili ko po una at after din po na makuha po si Sheila, nag-isip na rin po ako talaga.
Alam mo, Mayor Alice, sa lahat ng tumakas, sa lahat ng nahuli na nagtatago, ikaw lang ang nakita ko na masayang masaya ka, nakangiti ka, relax na relax ka. Pwede bang sabihin mo sa amin anong tulay na reason, anong tulay na dahilan, bakit gano'n ang reaction na nakikita ng buong Pilipinas sa'yo?
Your Honor, ang masasagot ko po dyan, yan po yung pinaka-love language ko po sa mga pamilya ko, sa mga tao nagmamahal po sa akin to tell them po na okay po ako. Yun lang po, a jolly person lang po ako. Pero kung sa hirap po, sobrang hirap po yung pinagdaanan po.
Please wrap up, Congressman Pascual.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Konti lang itatanong ko. Karamihan ng gusto kong itanong ay naitanong din sa kanya buhat kaninang umaga. Ang isang tanong ko sa iyo, Mayor Guo, sinabi mo kanina na undecided ka pa sa pagtakbo mo this coming local election. Kung ganon, may chance na lubaban ka uli ng mayor?
Your Honor, sa ngayon po, hindi po yan, wala pa po akong naiisip about that po.
Hindi mo kayang sagutin ngayon na ayaw mo na ng politika at hindi ka natatakbong mayor ng Bambantarlac?
Your Honor, hindi ko pa yan iniisip po talaga.
Okay.
Thank you po, Your Honor.
Huling tanong na lang. Kanino pa sinasabi na kaya hindi ka makasagot dahil nasa korte na ang kaso? May tanong ako sa iyo. Ano yung kaso na nakasampa na sa iyo ngayon na nilabasan ka ng warrant of arrest? Meron na ba?
Your Honor, meron po. I have 8 pending cases po in the court po ngayon. Ang nilabas po nila ngayon na for bail po ay ombudsman.
Itatanong ko talaga sa iyo, ay bailable. Meron ka bang non-bailable case ngayon na nakasampa sa iyo?
Meron din po.
Non-bailable?
Non-bailable po, DOJ, human trafficking po.
Lumabas na ba ang decision?
Hindi ko pa po nakuha po yung documents po doon.
So hindi pa lumalabas. Lahat ng kasong nakasampa sa iyo ngayon, Mayor, ay bailable. Tama ako?
Ang alam ko po, nasampahan na rin po ako ng human trafficking po.
Yes, sinampahan ka pero wala pang decision doon. Ang tinatanong ko, yung mga nakasampang kaso sa iyo ngayon, bailable lahat, hindi ba?
Your Honor, alam ko po, yung sa human trafficking po sa Pasig, may decision na po.
Lumabas na ang warrant of arrest?
Okay lang po, Your Honor.
Non-bailable?
Consult ko lang po. Tanong ko lang po sa lawyer.
Mr. Chairman, short interjection ng Alice Go, Alice Go, you're not answering the query of the good congressman. At tinatanong niya, yung kaso mo na nakadetain ka. Anong kaso mo?
Bailable ba o hindi? Bailable, tama?
Yung sa ombudsman po.
Available. Ang pangalawang tanong ko sa iyo, bakit hindi kayo nagbe-bail? Bailable pala.
Your Honor, hinintayin din po namin yung lumabas po yung isang kaso po.
You're not answering the query. Bakit hindi kayo nag-bail? Magkano bang bail bond supposedly? Magkano?
Mr. Chair, okay lang po. Tanong ko lang po sa lawyer.
Tanungin mo, magkano bail bond,
Po.
Mr. Lawyer? Magkano? Mr. Lawyer, magkano lang? Magkano bail bond?
190 po.
Magkano?
190,000.
190.
190?
180,000.
180,000 and then you did not bail out? Hindi ka nag-bail?
Mr. Chair, may mga ibang mga
Mga ano?
contempt pa rin daw pong iba, kaya
Hindi. Ito. With the indulgence again of...
Yes, go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Hindi.
Congress
That is
Paduano.
a deliberate move to you. From you. With your lawyer, na hindi kayo nag-bail kasi mas gusto mong nakadetain doon sa PNP Custodial Facility. Kaya hindi kayo nag-bail. Ayun yung totoong kwento doon. Huwag na tayo maglokohan dito. Again, you're lying. Because the real reason why you did bail out because you want to be detained doon sa PNP Custodial Center. Again, you're lying. Oh. Di ba? Simpleng-simple. Aka-Alice Go, billions. Tapos hindi makapag-bail ng 180,000? Oh, you're fooling this country. You're fooling the Filipino people. And with that, Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of Kong Doming, I move to cite Alice Go in contempt in violation of our Section 11, Paragraph C. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there's a motion to cite Alice Go, aka Go Waping, in contempt for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. And this is duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman.
Alice Go, aka Go Waping, is cited in contempt.
Mr. Chairman, my second motion will be Alice Go will be detained in the period until the committee report of this investigation will be adopted in the plenary. Question of jurisdiction, because Alice Go is now in the custody of PNP Custodial Center, will be discussed after this hearing, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there is a motion to detain Alice Go in the
Contempt order sa kanya, Mr. Chairman, period of until the committee report of this investigation will be adopted in the plenary of this 19th Congress, Mr. Chairman. And question of jurisdiction or detention of Ms. Alice Go will be discussed in relation to the present custody of Ms. Alice Go after this hearing, Mr. Chairman.
Okay,
So
there is a motion to detain Alice Go, aka Go Waping, until the committee, the Quad Committee, terminates this hearing, and
Mr.
pending the result of the jurisdiction, the issue of jurisdiction. This is duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman,
Congressman Dan Fernandez.
we'll be asking our Sergeant at Arms to coordinate with the PNP officials who have secured Ms. Alice Go to coordinate and to hold her in abeyance while the Quadcom, after the suspension of this hearing, will be meeting up in order to find out the jurisdiction of Ms. Alice Go, whether we will be putting her back on the PNP premises or in the House of Representatives.
Pending the decision as to the jurisdiction
Yes.
of the detention, the implementation of the detention of Ms. Alice Go, the House cited her in contempt until the House Quad Committee completes or terminates its committee hearing on the issue of the illegal pogos.
Mr. Chair,
And I'm
Mr. Chair.
I'm not done yet.
Congressman Abante?
Yes, I'm not done yet. And also, Mr. Chairman, may we ask also the Sergeant at Arms to tell us how many more rooms are available for, if ever, that we will be deciding to put the jurisdiction of Ms. Alice Go in our premises. Still, we have. And while waiting, Mr. Chairman, I'll be asking a while ago, yung sa what do you call that, executive session that Miss Alice Go was asking. I'll be giving you a piece of paper, Miss Alice Go. I hope that you will be able to read this and try to tell us in the affirmative or in negative, no? Yung tumulong sa iyo na tao, no, na Chinese, para at least kung wala man tayong executive session, we will be able to know kung sino sana. Ha? Sige, I'll be giving this piece of paper to you. Pakibigay na. Sabihin na lang kung yes or no. Sulatan na lang.
Tapos ka na?
Yes,
Mr.
thank
Chair.
you.
Congressman Abante.
Can we just hear perhaps Miss Alice Go would like to say something that can we just hear a statement from her what she would like to tell us this Quadcom. Let us give her a chance. Let us give her a chance, Mr. Chair, for her to give her own statement.
A statement on, if I may ask, Your Honor, what statement are we requiring Alice Go to make?
Whatever she would like to say, and perhaps she would like to reveal something. Perhaps, Mr. Chair, she would like to say na ginamit lang po ako, may gumamit po sa akin, hindi po talaga totoo na ako ay kasama dito. Let's just hear her make that statement, just to give her a chance. Mr.
Narinig
Chair.
mo ba yon, Alice, yung ano yung sinabi ni Congressman Abante? If you want to make a statement, you're given 2 minutes only. Please avail of that 2 minutes. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa committee?
Mr. Chair, medyo gulong-gulo po ako ngayon. Okay lang din po na makausap ko po muna yung lawyer ko po.
Sige, 10 seconds.
Opo, thank you po.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Sige, while
we're
waiting for Alice Go. Yes, Congressman Adyong.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, since we're now discussing about possible grant of executive session to Alice Go, perhaps we can also we take this opportunity to ask the two resource persons that we have, specifically Ms. Cassie Ong, if she's also willing to request for an executive session, maybe we can also contemplate on that. Okay. So, Mr. Chair, may I ask, Ms. Cassie Ong,
please proceed.
would you like to avail of a executive session? This is your opportunity now, because we are open to possible grant of executive session. Should you want to share something that you know that you do not like to share it out in the open or in the public because of fear of your safety, maybe this is the time. Yes, you can consult your lawyer. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman,
Thank
in the lighter side.
Thank you, Congressman Adjong. Now, Congressman Paduano.
Mr. Chairman, in the lighter side, while Ms. Caseong is, Alice Go is consulting her lawyer, may I move, Mr. Chairman, to withdraw my previous motion with regards to the show cause order for the BJMP because the BJMP has just submitted the documents being required to them. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There's a motion to withdraw the earlier motion made by Congressman Paduano with respect to the submission of documents from BJMP. BJMP, no? Duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is carried. Ms. Alice?
Mr. Chairman? Mr. Chairman, before...
O sige, Ms. Alice, time out. Okay.
Ma'am Alice,
Yes.
anong oras yung last meal mo?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, last night po.
Last night? Taga-intermittent ka ba, ma'am?
Hindi naman po.
Baka after how many hours, sabihin mo, bumaba yung sugar mo, bababa blood pressure
Hindi
mo.
naman po. Okay lang po.
Are you sure?
Opo.
Baka kamukha ni Cassie, bumaba yung sugar niya. Di ba? Salamat, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Mr.
thank
Chairman.
you.
If I may,
sige.
We need also to
Congressman
decide on
Fernandez.
this matter because this is imperative on our discussion. I just received the information from the Sergeant at Arms that our HOR detention center is in full capacity. And in that case, Mr. Chairman, the question whether we will be having her in our custody is something that we have to discuss lengthily after this Quad committee. But of course, there's no stopping us to put Cassie and Cassandra on in one detention center, in one room in this facility, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. The manifestation is noted. The parliamentary status before we went on break is that Congressman Emeng Pascual has the floor. And considering that he has the floor and he stated that that's going to be his last question, there was an interjection made where there was a request that Miss Alice Go be made to say something before the Quad. Perhaps something that she would request the committee, or maybe something that she will reveal to the committee. So, Alice, meron kang 2 minuto para sabihin sa amin kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin, as requested by Congressman Abante. Kung wala naman, okay lang din, so we can proceed with the last question of Congressman Pascual. Meron kang sasabihin? Wala.
Mr. Chair, as of the moment po, wala po ako naisip. Pero kanina po, regarding po doon sa question po ni Kong Paduano po, na kung bakit di po ako nagbe-bail po. Dahil po na rin na may contempt order din po ako sa Senate at sabay-sabay na lang po pag na-lift na po. Yun po. Sorry po.
Ay, pero dito, hindi yan
Okay.
relief until such time that the committee report will be adopted in the plenary. Tama po, until the 19th Congress will be closed.
So you have a contempt order also from the Senate. And what was the decision as to your penalty? Anong sinabi nila na penalty mo?
Nakakulong din po ako ngayon sa PNP custodial po.
Pero did they say in the Senate when they cited you in contempt ay kukulong ka sa Senate o sa PNP Custodial Center?
Ang nag-issue po ng order ko po is galing po sa court. Opo.
Hindi, yes. Oh, yung kung saan ka ngayon, korte ang nagsabi niyan.
Opo.
Pero sabi mo, na-contempt ka rin sa Senado.
Opo.
Tama?
Kinontempt po nila ako sa Senate.
So, anong sinabi ng Senado kung ano ang penalty kasama nung contempt order nila sa'yo? Anong penalty mo?
Wala pa naman po.
So wala pa silang sinight. So there was no motion as to where you will be, what penalty will that contempt order be imposed on you? Walang sinabi.
Detention lang po,
At sinabi,
Mr. Chair.
i-detain ka sa kay de-detain.
Mr. Chair, wait lang po. PNP? PNP po, Mr. Chair.
That was the order of the Senate. Okay. Sige. The status quo for the moment because she's presently detained at the PNP Custodial Center.
Mr.
So,
So the decision of the Senate, Attorney, are you telling the truth that the status quo was the decision of the Senate?
Initially, they wanted
No, no, I am just asking you, is it correct? Yes or no lang po?
Yes, Your Honor. They want to maintain the status quo. In the
Okay.
meantime, she be detained at the PNP custodial
It's the
facility
Senate,
by the Senate.
by the Senate.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but the order of the court is what?
PNP custodial center. Your
PNP custodial din.
That's why they want. That's why the Senate wanted to maintain.
Anyway, I will ask the DOJ mamaya with regards to the case that was filed to
okay.
Cassandra
Sige.
Mr. Chairman.
Alice Go. Thank you,
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, last.
Last na to?
Yes, last na po.
Okay.
A while ago, I
Congressman
asked
Fernandez.
Ms. Alice Go, since executive session was not permitted by this body, to write in this piece of paper the names of those who helped her. May I have the liberty or No. But these are all part of the corporations. They are not part of the corporations. But they use, you can use your mic, but they used to live here in this country as well.
Part of the corporation, pero wag na lang po muna i-reveal sa public.
They were a part of the corporation before.
Yeah, part of the, until now.
Until now. But they're not here anymore.
Not in the Philippines right now.
With this information, Mr. Chairman, I think it's imperative for us to look for these personalities as well. Since we haven't have the chance to have an executive session with Alice Go, I think this will help us as well, Mr. Chairman. If not, then so be it. So I made my manifestation, Mr. Chairman. Thank you so much.
Salamat, Congressman Dan Fernandez. That was short and quick. So before we proceed with Kong M.M. Pascual, there was a pending question raised by Congressman Adyong to Cassie Ong. Kung si Cassie Ong ba ay gustong mag-avail ng executive session na kung saan ay isisiwalat mo kung sino ang nasa likod ng kumpanya nyo, sino ang financier nyo, sino ang mga taong nasa likod ng Lucky South 99. Yung ba ang gusto mong isiwalat?
Mr. Chair, I'm not closing the door for that naman po. Pero I want na i-consult yung tatlong lawyer ko muna. Before...
Tatlo ba lawyer mo?
Yes po.
Dami
Hindi. Iisang law firm lang po, pero tatlo po sila.
Okay.
Opo, i-consult ko lang muna sila.
So, i-consult. Kasi yung huling statement na ginawa ng abogado mo, sinasabi niya na mas gugustuhin mo pa raw makulong sa correctional kesa makulong ka dito o ma-detain ka dito sa house. Eh, nangangailangan kami ngayon ng kwarto sa mga posibleng ma-detain namin dito. So, wala kaming choice kundi pagbigyan yung iyong hiling. Dahil ang sabi ng abogado mo that my client would rather be detained in a correctional center rather than be humiliated in the Quadcom. Ikaw ba nagsabi noon o yung abogado mo?
Nung araw na sinabi ko po yun, Mr. Chair, na-stress po ako nung araw na yan.
Okay. Kasi kami, nangangailangan kami ngayon ng kwarto. Eh, pag umalis ka dyan, magkakaroon na kami ng bakante, matutuwa na yung aming SecGen. Oo. So, pagbibigyan ka namin sa hiling mo at hiling ng abogado mo. At we will address that and decide on that at the appropriate time, Your Honors, because before we adjourn or we suspend this hearing tonight, baka gusto mag-share ng information ni Cassie, pagbibigyan natin siya to stay in the House of Representatives Detention Facility. So, ngayon, Cassie, ang tanong sa iyo ni Congressman Adjong, meron ka bang importanteng mga impormasyon isisiwalat?
Mr. Chair, kausapin ko lang po yung lawyer ko.
10 seconds.
Okay. Thank you po.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, while waiting for Congressman Adjong.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Maybe later na lang po, pero I just want to put into record, Mr. Chair, the names that were written and was given to Chairman Dan Fernandez. I don't think that would be revealed today, no? But may I, since all of us naman have the right also to know these names, perhaps we can already, at this point in time, communicate with the Bureau of Immigration if they have travel history of these foreigners coming in and out of this country. Maybe later we can find out, Mr. Chair. Just to put that into record, baka makalimutan po.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, if I may, no?
Okay.
So
Thank
we
you, Mr.
will be doing that, no? But in confidence that
Yes,
she
I
has
know.
written
I
the two
understand.
names that was given to this representation. We'll be asking the help of the immigration on these people.
Yes, in
Para-
confidentiality
Yeah,
also, we can
of course.
relay this to the Bureau.
Yeah, I
of
understand.
Immigration. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, so Cassie, anong decision mo?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko pa rin naman po kina-close yung door for that, pero gusto ko pa rin po talaga makonsult yung tatlo kong abogado.
Sige. Dahil sabi mo, you're not closing your doors, tama? Sige, hanggang bago matapos tayo ngayong gabi, kailangan buksan mo yung pinto mo. Okay? Now, we proceed with Congressman Eming Pascual. Your last question, please.
Wala na akong tanong, Mr. Chair. Siguro, ano na lang, Mayor Alice, I'm sorry, but I believe what Congressman Paduano said, na imposible nga naman na 180,000 hindi ka magbe-bail. At kung ang payo sa iyo ng mga lawyer mo, hintayin yung iba pang kaso na darating, ibig gusto na gamitin ang abogado, mali ang pinapayo nila sa iyo. Totoo yung sinabi ni Congressman Paduano na siguro mas conveniente ka, mas tiwala ka dun sa PNP Custodial Center ngayon. Alam mo, Mayor Alice, lagi ako nag-observe sa iyo. The way you talk, the way you smiled, the way you answered questions here in Quadcom. Sinabi mo kanina na yun lang paraan mo para maipakita sa supporters sa family mo na okay ka. Pero, Mayor Alice, according to my observation, hindi yun lumalabas sa akin ngayon. Ang tingin ko, kaya ganun ka magsalita, ganun ka sumagot, ganun ang reaction mo palagi. Ang feeling ko ngayon, kaya mo kaming paikutin lahat dito. Feeling ko, kaya mong bayaran lahat ng mga opisyal dito sa Pilipinas. Feeling ko, hindi ka talaga magsasabing totoo. Kapag tinanong mo ko ngayon, hindi ikaw si Mayor Alice Guo. Para sa akin, ikaw ngayon,